Something that I find really fascinating is this idea that student exchanges or exchanges in general are a long-term investment in the way that America is perceived, because I myself am a product of that sort of long-term investment. I'm someone who was educated in an American international institution, and I am someone who is now inclined to understand America, both its good and its bad parts. So it is very interesting to see how I am, in a sense, a product of American foreign policy. That's my big takeaway.
I would say my biggest takeaway from attending the Global Ties National Meeting is being able to attend some of the sessions today and really learn more about public diplomacy and further build on the knowledge I'm acquiring in my courses here at GW in the Global Comms Master's Program. And I've been really grateful to have the opportunity to attend the event today.